Hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get list ID on Mailchimp. Now, Mailchimp is mainly used to send emails, but at the same time, to send emails, we need to collect data first of these people so we can send them our informations or our emails or newsletter, etc. So how can we collect IDs? First, we need to make a pop-up. So I'm going to sign up form, pop-up form, and here what I'm going to do is to create a pop-up form, just like so. In this pop-up form, I'm going to do this. We're going to sign up, continue, and let's go with something like that. Here we go. Create form, and let's go with this one. So once we have done this, we can go right here and change this button right here, as you can see, your email address. I'm going to change it to be your ID. And as you can see, once I have changed this, you will be finding it changed on the phone layout as well. So this is very cool. Now all we need to do next is to check for other things and make sure to change the picture, the text to suit our business. So here, this is not our logo. Make sure to change it to our business logo. Then once you're done, go ahead and click on save and review. And once it is reviewed, all you need to do next is to publish it. So once this page loads, you will have here the publish button. Make sure to resolve any other problem that you have, and then click on publish and schedule in case you want to schedule it on another time. So yeah guys, this is very simple, very quick and easy. I hope you learned something from this video. If you do have any more questions or problems, make sure to mention them in the comment section in the comments area. Thank you guys a lot, and see ya in the next video.